This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jim.dingus. Amazing home in a great neighborhood with community pool. Tons of updates including a $15,000 full kitchen renovation, granite countertops, hardwood flooring, brand new carpet upstairs and fresh paint. The roof is less than 2 years old and windows throughout the home are less than 6 years old. The screened-in porch in the backyard is a private oasis to enjoy the outdoors. This is a must-see home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim.dingus at 865-687-1111.